Blue, pretty blue.
Babe, I like your hair. It's nice.
We've come as far as we can with the sound deadening without removing things. So the last time we were out here, we removed the interior trim from the sliding door. And now, in order to get the rest of this and to prep for insulation, now I need to remove the interior trim. There's some hex bolts that need to come out, a couple of plastic interior shims, I guess those are. And so yeah, taking them out so we can access even further, sound deaden it, insulate it, keep it moving. I don't know what to do with it anymore. It's really irritating.
Do you want my rubber band?
Alright. That's it.
So I insulate all of that?
Sound deaden.
Mm-hmm. With my box cutter?
Yeah.
Sound deaden.
Sound deaden.
Sound deaden. Perpendicular.
If this were 2003, this was quite a look.
It's true.
Back then, you know, for me to cry out my sorrows over some lonely emo rock music, some Evanescence probably. I would cry out into the night. No offense to anyone who listens to Evanescence, it's just not my thing.
I like Evanescence.
It's just like Nickelback. It's just, you know, not really into it. I told you, right?
Every little thing is falling.
It's part of my experience.
That is the look of somebody who knows what they're doing.
You know what I'm doing.
I feel like you should always act as though I'm filming. Move the lights.
One more.
One more. is week like 2 or 3 of sound deadening the van. It's been a process. It's taken a really long time. Liam and I also had a really crazy work week last week and just stuff with life going on, and so we didn't get to work at all. So it's been a full week since we've set foot in the van, but yeah, so I'm out here finalizing, hopefully finishing up the last little bit of the sound deadening before we can start insulating. Our second roll of rattle trap finally came in, and so we've been able to sound deaden the area over here above the driver and passenger seat. I'm also starting to do the ceiling, exciting stuff. And yeah, I brought my dog today. This is Ellie. Things are always a little more exciting when you have a dog, so, you know, just is what it is. She's my little sidekick. She's always nearby. I've had her for a very long time. She's 9 or 10 years old. Well, she's 9. I know how old she is. She's going to be 10 next month. Anyway, she makes things a little bit more enjoyable when you're out here for many hours doing pretty mundane and boring stuff. Liam's currently inside working on an assignment for school. He just started back, and so yeah, that's why I'm out here by myself. He's going to come out here in a little bit and help, but it's the way it goes. How'd you get there? Are you gonna drive us around?